The dolphin swims and flips around. Flip, flip, splash. The dolphin swims and flips around, all through the sea. The octopus waves all 8 of her arms. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. The octopus waves all 8 of her arms down in the deep. The crab goes click with his little red claws. Click, click, click. The crab goes click with his little red claws along the sand. The turtle glides with a gentle smile. Swish, swish, swish. The turtle glides with a gentle smile, nice and slow. The clownfish darts through coral reefs. Zoom, zoom, zoom. The clownfish darts through coral reefs, playing hide and seek. The whale sings low with a big deep voice. All day long. The sea is full of animal friends. Splash, splash, splash. Let's take care of the ocean blue and all who live inside.